Welcome Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This vehicle comes in a black exterior color with 3M protection on the hood and front bumper. This is a 4-door pickup, seats 5 with a black interior. Also carries a 6.2 liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have your turn signals on your side mirror, memory seat controls above your chrome handle grip, power folding side mirrors, and powered windows. This truck comes with the Bose sound system, 2 storage compartments along the door panel with a couple cup holders. Door panel is made up of a black leather with a wood insert. Both front seats are powered in a black perforated leather. You have Denali stitched in both the headrests. You have lumbar support and headrest adjustments as well. Steering wheel is a black leather wrap. You have the metal inserts as well. Heated steering wheel, cruise control, and gap adjustment is over on the left-hand side, as well as your menu selection and voice control on the right. Tow buttons, as well as your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive controls. This vehicle is a key to start. We'll foot down on the brake. Turn the key. Analog front dash with a digital screen in the center of it. Touchscreen infotainment system. You have your AM, FM radio stations. You can also subscribe to Sirius XM. You have your Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. This truck comes with navigation as well as a backup camera. You have your text invoice for your Bluetooth as well. Manual climate controls down at the bottom. You have your heated and air-cooled front seats. You also have your foot pedal adjusters, traction control, rear lights, park assist, lane keeping assist as well. Couple power banks and USB ports up at the front. Nice deep storage compartment in your center console with 2 extra cup holders. Wireless phone charging above your leather wrapped center console. Nice deep center console as well. Extra power banks and USB with auxiliary ports. Got your rear view mirror as well. Sunglass compartment just up top. You have your sunroof controls as well as overhead lighting. You have your universal garage opener as well. Up top you have your speaker, illuminated vanity mirror and sun visor for both the driver's side and passenger side. And this truck is also fitted with a sunroof for the 2 front seats. You also have your sunroof cover. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 20-inch GMC rims on summer tires. Chromed side mirror and half black. You have your chromed handle grip. Side steps on either side. This truck comes with mud flaps as well. Rear sensors along the front bumper. You also have side steps on the both corners. Backup camera just underneath your handle. Nice bed for your truck. This vehicle comes with the hard black plastic protection, as well as this one comes with its own all-weather rubber mat for added protection. This truck also comes with a tow hitch and trunk bed cover. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, we have the same black leather with wood inserts. 3 storage compartments on the door panel with a nice speaker down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the black leather. You have your center console, folds right down for your 2 cup holders. Lots of extra storage space in the rear of the center console with an extra power bank. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. You've got overhead lighting, as well as handle grips and speakers. This truck is also fitted with a full set of carpeted mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have your exhaust coming out here. Another look at the tonneau cover. Chrome along the bottom of your side windows. Antenna in front of both the front passenger side and above the driver's side seat. Nice chromed grille with monochrome badging. You have your front sensors along the front bumper, as well as 2 tow hooks. This truck is also fitted with command start. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.